Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Creativity in the kitchen knows no bounds, and the world of culinary innovation is constantly evolving. Top creative kitchen ideas not only transform cooking space into functional hubs but also infuse them with personality and style. One popular trend is the open concept kitchen, seamlessly blending cooking and living areas to create a spacious and inviting environment for social gatherings. Another imaginative concept is the use of bold, vibrant colors for cabinetry and black splashes, injecting energy and character into the heart of the home. Furthermore, the rise of smart kitchen technology has revolutionized the way we cook. The appliances that can be controlled remotely and even offer recipe suggestion based on available ingredients. Sustainable and eco-friendly kitchens are also gaining traction. Incorporation recycled materials, energy efficient appliances, and indoor herb gardens for a greener cooking experience. From unique storage solution to customized cooking stations, the realm of creative kitchen ideas is as diverse as it is inspiring. Make every meal preparation a delightful and aesthetically pleasing experience. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs.